Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I revamp my bathroom for under $80. I will be letting you know how much everything costs, how I do it, and how you can do it as well. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Right now I'm showing you the before of my bathroom, and let's get into how I exactly revamped it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is change my countertops to a marble design. And I've seen people on YouTube do this with contact paper. So of course the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything off my counter and give it a good wipe down so the contact paper is just sticking to the substrate and not anything else. And I'm just giving it a good wipe down, and I'm going to dry off any wetness, and then I'm going to start laying the contact paper. Now this was a little bit difficult to do by myself. It took me a little bit of time to basically figure out what to do. I suggest that if you're going to do this with more than one person so that they can pull it tight while you like kind of position it, and also do your measurements and cut everything before you start to place. I also want to let you know that this marble paper was only $5.99 from Target, and I basically didn't even use half of it, so it goes a long way and it's super cheap. I filmed the whole process of me doing this basically, and I thought it was like really cool to see it change from the granite to like the marble. So I'm going to let everything play and you guys can just enjoy it and get the satisfaction of watching me place this marble. Honestly, it was a little bit difficult doing it by myself, so I would highly suggest you have somebody else help you. So I'm going to show you a way to make some cute pictures for your bathroom. I just printed these photos from off the web, and that's a pink and black Chanel perfume bottle, which goes really well with the colors I have in the bathroom, that I'm going to have in the bathroom. I just used these frames from Walmart, which were like $2 to $3, and I used the paper that came inside of it as a stencil to cut around the photos that I printed. And I just basically slide them in and pop the glass right on top. It was so easy. So that's how you get pretty cute pictures in your bathroom or anywhere in your house for basically under $5. So the color theme for my bathroom is going to be black and pink. And I got this shower curtain from Walmart and it was about $10, $9.99, so it was pretty cheap. Now I'm just hanging up the photos that I made. I just measured the little space and I want them to be like one higher than the other. So I'm just trying to find the middle of the wall and then I'm going to space them out properly using dimensions. And as you guys know, I use command strips to basically hold anything on the walls without damaging them, because if you're renting an apartment, you know you can't nail anything into the wall. So command strips are an easy, cheap, and fast way just to hang anything on your wall. So I got this rug and another rug that you're gonna see me put down in a set from Ross, and it was $14.99 for both of them. So I went to Ross and I saw this marble trash can and it was only $8.99, and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect for exactly what I'm gonna do in my bathroom. So I got it. So now this is my absolute favorite part that we're gonna decorate. The vase and the flowers were from the dollar store. They're $1 each, but I'm not gonna count them in this total because I had them previously from when I first moved in. This beautiful silver candle holder and candle were from Ross, and they were $5.99 and $4 respectively. So candle holder $5.99, candle $4, $3.99. I got that toothbrush holder for $4.99, and then that candle I had previously from Bath and Body Works. The tray you see me putting everything in was $5.99, and then I had that little succulent previously, and then obviously perfume. Please subscribe to my channel and enjoy this before and after of this bathroom revamp, and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me.